Musical note emoji. It's bath time, splish splash splish. Let's fill the tub up, swish swish swish. Here comes Lily with her ducky friend. Bath time fun is about to begin. Splish splash, splish splash. In the tub we go. Warm water fills up from our head to our toes. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles everywhere. Floating in the water, floating in the air. Musical note emoji. Wash your hands. Wash, wash, wash. Wash your hands, splish and splosh. Rubby-dubby, scrubby-scrubby. Get them nice and clean. Shiniest little hands you've ever seen. Wash your arms. Wash, wash, wash. Wash your arms, splish and splosh. Up and down and up and down. With bubbles soft and white. Scrub-a-dub-a-dub-dub. Left and right. Musical note emoji. Now wash your tummy, round and round. Make the bubbles swirl around. Lily laughs and Ducky quacks. Bubbles on their tummy, bubbles on their backs. Splish splash, splish splash. What do we wash next? Wash your face so gently. You're doing your best. A little bit of water, a gentle little scrub. Rubby-dubby-dubby in the tub. Musical note emoji. Musical note emoji. Wash your legs. Wash, wash, wash. Wash your legs, splish and splosh. Knees and shins and ankles too. Bubbly legs look brand new. Wash your feet. Wash, wash, wash. Wash your feet. Splish and splosh. Tiny toes and heels below. In between each little toe. Musical note emoji. Now it's time to wash your hair. Pour the water. Pour with care. Shampoo on top. Rub, rub, rub. Lily's singing in the tub. Scrub your head. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Lots of bubbles. Rub, rub, rub. Rinse it out now. 1, 2, 3. Clean and shiny hair for me. Musical note emoji. Splish splash, splish splash. Bath time's almost done. Washing up is so much fun. Ducky swims around the bubbles. Round and round he goes. Lily is all clean now from her head down to her toes. Now we pull the plug out. Gurgle, gurgle, whoosh. Wrap up in a towel, fluffy, fluffy poosh. All dry and cozy, warm and clean. The happiest little Lily you have ever seen. Musical note emoji. Bath time, bath time. Wasn't that great? Now we're clean and feeling super. Bye-bye bubbles. Bye-bye tub. See you next time for a scrub. Bye-bye friends. See you soon on Fun Kids World. Musical note emoji.